In the heart of the Caucasus, where the earth breathes and the mountains touch the sky, lies Georgia, a land seemingly forgotten by time. Here, history is written in ancient stone and enduring spirit, creating a world where every valley and peak tells a story of a heritage that refuses to fade. Batumi stands where the modern skyline gracefully touches the horizon. Instead of merely building, this city crafts its future in steel and glass. From its iconic architecture to the rhythm of its vibrant squares, Batumi stands as a bold testament to a new era. It's more than just a destination. It's a city reinventing itself, one horizon at a time. Rising toward the heavens, stone and art become a silent prayer in Tbilisi, reaching for the divine. Faith and history intertwine here, where the horizon serves as a bridge between the physical world and the sky. This is the sacred pulse of a nation, a place where every height tells a story of the soul's endurance. Wandering through these streets, time seems to drift. From the chime of the clock tower to the soothing warmth of the historic baths, every corner of Tbilisi invites you to slow down and lose yourself in its timeless charm. In the forgotten halls and ancient carved caves, the past whispers secrets to the present. Time merges with the rhythm of the earth, where crumbling stone meets the vibrant, healing flow of nature. This is a journey through memory and life, where every stone and stream carries the enduring spirit of Georgia. Ancient stone towers rise as silent guardians, watching over remote villages cradled high among the clouds. Isolated by the mountains, these settlements hold a deep, sacred peace that has endured for generations. Here, the air feels like a prayer, grounding us in the stillness of the heights. Jagged summits tower above, reaching toward the heavens like a stone crown. These majestic peaks stand as a gateway to the infinite, guarding the timeless spirit of the earth. Gliding over the abyss, the soul catches the wind to embrace the same effortless freedom that wild birds have known since the beginning of time. Ancient, untamed energy still pulses through this land, where flocks move across the silent wilderness beneath towering peaks. Hidden among them, abandoned villages stand as silent witnesses to lives that have faded, while the landscape remembers. Among serene heights, ruined walls stand as humble anchors to a time long past. True greatness isn't measured by what we build, but by what endures. As the boundaries between the living and the echoes of those who once stood here begin to dissolve, we remember that we move forward not by escaping the storms, but by letting them shape who we become.